Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to print the file size or get the file size in Python in megabytes. So let's define our function. Before that, we are just going to import OS. And here we are going to define our function file size. It will take a file, and now we are going to calculate a byte size first by using os.path.get size, and we are going to pass in the file, and then we are going to calculate the MBs in megabytes. So we are going to convert into integer the byte size divide by 0 to 4, and then we are just going to print it size in megabytes. And now we can pass in the name of the file. I'm just gonna find a big file, a little larger file. I have this file on my system, so I'm just gonna check its size. Just run it, and here it is, 91 MB. Keep on learning. Please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.